Hey guys, last tutorial I talked about feedbacking filters and how to use the cutoff and the resonance to make melodies. So this week I'm going to show you that in Massive, because I told you in that video that you could also do this in Massive, the very famous synthesizer. So I thought let's show you for this week. So when we open it up, we just have the default sound, which is square saw. I think it's set to saw by default. That one, and I just have one sustaining note in my sequencer. So instead of this first oscillator, I want to use the noise oscillator. So all these other oscillators can be switched off. Then I'm gonna set the color somewhere in the middle and the amp halfway. A bit more color, something like this. And now we're gonna choose the depth filter. So choose it for the first filter, then make sure that the noise oscillator sends all to filter 1 with this slider to the right there. And then I'm going to set the resonance very high and the cutoff very low. Remember, this only works with the depth filter type that you find near the bottom of this list. And now I'm playing my sequencer, and you can already see that we get some signal, but we don't hear it yet, probably because it's very low. So we're gonna slowly raise the cutoff, and then you hear it going in. So this doesn't sound like noise anymore, more like feedback, just the way you want it. So now we can go over to one of the LFOs. And we're gonna click here on the right and choose, instead of an LFO, choose a stepper, and we can sync that to 16th notes, and then we can draw in some values, and we could even tick this box where it says snap to grid, and now this is gonna snap to 12 different values, so you always have perfect values instead of 3.5 or 3.7 or whatever. Now they're all full numbers, which means that we can more easily make our melody. So let's set this to the cutoff and see what happens. And as you probably noticed, I can take out the noise, and then it will still continue because of the feedback, at least till the end of the bar. So it will sort of decay a little bit longer because that the filter is self-feedbacking, and I think Massive has this thing where it will reset at the end of every bar, but otherwise it would just go on forever. But this is how to use that synth technique that we already learned inside the synthesizer. So I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.